No one wants to walk into their kitchen and find a parade of ants having a celebration on their countertop. This is Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about raining on that parade right after this. How would you like to win a zero-turn mower just for sitting down? Enter the Toro Sit to Win sweepstakes. Visit your local Toro dealer, take a seat on a zero-turn mower with My Ride, and snap a photo of yourself. Submit your photo at toro.com/sit-to-win for a chance to win a Toro Time Cutter MX zero-turn mower with My Ride. It's just that easy. Check out all the details at toro.com/sit-to-win. We aren't the only ones who get a little more active in warmer weather, so it's no surprise when the ants go marching one by one across your kitchen countertop. You grab the ant spray, give them a blast or two, and wind up throwing away food and cleaning up a toxic, smelly mess of insect spray. If that sounds familiar, there's good news because there are safer methods that you can use to get rid of these pests. Mix up a little soapy water in a spray bottle and spritz it along their trail. To keep them out of your pet's food, set their food dish in a pie pan full of soapy water. And instead of poison powders and toxic sprays, try chili powder to create an insect barrier. Inside or out, it's safe, inexpensive, and non-toxic. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.